Here we are again at home with Cafe du Monde Beignet mix. I'm gonna make these. Are so good. It only takes 3 ingredients: the mix, confectioner sugar, and oil. Also, it's important that you use a thermometer because the oil's got to be at 370 degrees. I also got the coffee. Yay! Let's make this. I got my mix in. It's 2 cups of mix with 7 ounces of water. I need to mix that. So I have the oil. I'm gonna check what's the temperature right now. Okay, so here are my beignets. I'm about to get them in. The oil is at 370, and you're supposed to use some flour in between the mix because it's really sticky. So when you're making these, you need to use dry flour to pat it with so that it actually stays together. I just had to wash my hands because it's really sticky. But they're supposed to be about 2 inches, I think. And this one's probably a little bigger and it's falling apart. I need to fix it. Okay, here goes the first one. Ooh. So this batch made 5, actually 6. Oh, don't burn. I did it. This is the final result. And now time to sprinkle the sugar. The shape is off by a bit, but the taste is the same because it's the same mix, literally the same mix. I do not know what kind of oil they used. But I used canola oil. And they taste really good. Let's flip them. And add more sugar. Yeah. That looks good. More sugar, because it all falls apart when you're chewing it anyway. Okay. And that's that. Homemade beignets. More sugar. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Beignets done at home. Very easy.